No. No.
Sir, we have done question number 5.
I know this, that I already help you to do this question 5. So I'll do it again, no problem in that. चले भाई अलीना रीड कर.
Draw a rough figure and label suitable in each of the following cases.
There are 4 different cases given A, B, C, and D. We have to solve this sum by drawing a rough sketch. Nothing else we have to do. Okay? Chalo. What is written here?
Point
Read kar.
sir. Point P lines on AB.
Point P lies on AB means what? This is line AB. I can say this is one line, and I'll give this name as line AB. Okay? Line AB can be formed in any direction, horizontally, vertically, in a slant form. It depends on you. All the lines will be correct, but the line formation should be done. Two end arrows and point kai या direct corner thi point na thai. Are you getting? It has to be leaving some space from the arrow, and you have to give a name. So this is your line AB ready. Point P lies on line AB means AB upar point P lie કરે છે. That means you can give point P anywhere in between line A and B. અહીંયા point P ન આવે, અહીંયા ન આવે, not any other place. In between line A and B માં તમે ગમે ત્યાં point મૂકી શકો. In any place. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt with this? So your first answer is ready. Answer number A. You can check here if you want. Your answer number A. અહીંયા line કરવાની છે. Don't forget to draw a line. This is line segment they have given, but we are going to follow a line. Okay? Because in question it is given as line. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir, no doubt.
Chalo, second read करतो.
X, Y, and PQ intersect
શું
and
છે? ખાલી
at
x y ને ખાલી
M.
pq છે? આ શું રીડ કર્યું તું?
Point P lines on AB.
ખાલી a b છે? શું રીડ થાય ને? Point P lies on line AB. Now line XY and line PQ intersect at point M. શું રીડ થાય છે? ખાલી XY
Line
ને ખાલી ભાઈબંધ
XY
પોસ્ટર છે કે આમને રીડ કરે જાવ છો? What is written here? આ આખું લખવું ના પડે એટલે આવી રીતે લખ્યું લાઈન એક્સ વાય એમ તમને આખું લખવું ન પડે એટલે આ ફોર્મમાં લખેલું છે. So what to be read as?
line XY and line PQ intersect at M.
Intersect નથી, intersect. Line
Intersect.
you can draw slant line, you can draw straight line, you can draw cross. It depends on you. We have to simply follow this given instructions. Line XY and line PQ. There are two different lines intersecting at point M. So can I say this is an intersecting line? Line XY, line PQ intersect at point name as M. Any doubt here? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So what is the content? The content is line PQ and XY is intersected at point M. A point નું નામ તમે અહીંયા ગમે ત્યાં આપી શકો. That is none of compulsory thing that અહીંયા જ નામ આપવાનું. સર અહીં આપ્યું છે એટલે. You can give the name XY over here also and PQ as here also. Don't worry at all. Okay? સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં? The formation of two lines should be there. The naming should be there. That's it. That means your diagram is correct. Is that clear? You can check the
Yes,
diagram.
sir.
Line XY and line PQ intersected at point M. Any doubt here?
No, sir. No doubt.
चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर सी रीड कर चल जल्दी.
Line L contains E and F but not D.
Line L, that means we have to draw one line here again. Okay. Line L, that means I can give the name as L because it is given line L, draw karo. So I have drawn line L here. Okay. Contains E and F. So E point line L upar છે and line F upar પણ E point છે. So EF contained on line L but not point D. So point D you can put anywhere. Here, anywhere. Below that you can point D ગમે ત્યાં place કરી શકો તમે. Because point D is not on line L but point D છે ખરી. ભલે L ઉપર નથી. In question it is given, that means there is point D over there. Are you getting? But not on line L. Line L ઉપર કોઈ પણ જગ્યા તમે point D place કરી શકો નહીં. It has to be outside line L. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? Check this.
No, sir. No doubt.
The line can be in any direction, slant line, horizontal line, vertical line, in any direction, but the line formation should be there. See, line L draw કરેલી છે. On line L, E and F has been placed, but not D. D is outside. The outside એટલે આપણે ઈ આન્સર રિલેટેડ જ પોઈન્ટ ડી પ્લેસ કરવાનો. પછી કે ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2 માં પોઈન્ટ ડી મૂકવાનો જ જવાનો. સર મેં તો મૂકેલો છે, તમે ચેક નથી કર્યું. આપણો બગીચો નથી કે ગમે ત્યાં બેસીએ ને ગમે ત્યાં મૂકીએ. બરાબર? We have to place point D. Outside કીધું છે. You can make the point D around this line. That's it. સમજ પડી ગઈ કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
ચલો last question. Question D.
Number D. Line OP and line OQ meet at O.
O is the common point. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? પહેલા આવી રીતે સમજાવું તમને. O is the common point. See, point O is common. Okay. સમજાય છે? Now they are saying OP. So I will draw your OP and OQ. So I will draw your OQ. Meet at intersecting point. Line OP and line OQ meet at intersecting point O. So point O will be common. I can give your P name and I can give your Q name. So line OP and line OQ intersect at point O. Your term is ready. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Check the answer. Okay? Doubt હોય તો કયો.
No, sir. No.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now question number 6. Hello, question number 6. Who will read this? Nobody from the class. Very good.
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
Question number 6. Consider the following figure of line M and say whether following statements are true or false in context of the given following. Number 8.
Given figure.
QM
Figure. Figure means the figure
given
given here.
figure.
There is one slant line. In one line, there are 5 points given: Q, M, O, and P. Now we have to follow all the statements what is given here. We have to consider that whether it is true or false. Okay?
Okay.
Chalo.
Q, M, O, and P are point on the line MN.
Line MN chair. They are talking about line MN. So line MN will be here only. Q is not the point on line MN and P is not the point on line MN. Line MN ઉપર કયા ત્રણ point છે? MON. So it is false statement. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Girls, I'm only talking to one girl. What about others?
Yes.
Shall I put absent marks on this? The other girls? Rest of the 16 girls or 17 girls will be marked as absent in mathematics lecture. Only one girl, Alina Kolia, will be marked as present. બાકી બધી નમૂની
Yes,
absent
sir,
આજે.
understand.
Yes, sir,
બધી
understand.
દીકરીને absent મૂકીશું for sure.
Yes, sir, understood. Yes, understand.
એટલે સૂતી કરતી હોય કે નાસ્તો કરવા ગયો હોય કે ગેમ રમતી હોય, ચેટિંગ કરતી હોય, I am least concerned about with that girls. I am concerned only the active student in the class. That's it. અને એના માર્ક્સ એ જ રીતે
Okay,
મુકાશે હો આગળ એક્ઝામમાં. Make sure of it.
Okay, sir.
So Q, M, O, N, P are points on the line MN. So false. First statement is false.
False.
Over here it is true, but I can say it is false. Huh? MN ની line માં નથી. We cannot consider MN with P and Q on it. If it is there that line QP is a given and MN is all 5 points are included in that, then it is true. Is that clear?
yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Clear.
MON are the points on a line segment MN. True. MON. This is a line segment given here. See. Is this a line segment from this point to this point? MON are the points on line segment MN. Yes, there are 3 points on line segment MN. Are you getting?
Number 6.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
getting.
Getting.
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes, sir,
Samjhai.
સમજાય છે.
Okay. Then M and N are the end points on line segment MN. ખાલી MN ની વાત થાય છે. Line segment MN. Forget about Q and P. If we take line segment MN, if we take line segment MN, are the M and N are the two end points? M and N end points છે line MN ના? Say yes or no.
True.
Useless girls, seriously.
No. No.
Yes, sir.
Line segment, forget about this point Q and P. They are not talking about in this statement. They are talking about line segment MN. Line segment MN છે જે એમાં point M અને end points છે. આ બંને end points છે. O વચમાં આવે છે. Are they end points? Yes. True. Useless fellows, seriously. Don't understand English, don't know how to read, don't know how to learn. Nothing. First layer, second layer, pass, pass, pass. Enjoy the next standard. Very good. M and N are the endpoints of line segment MN. Is that clear? Line segment
Yes, sir.
MN में
Clear.
ध्यान लिए तो
Yes,
M
sir.
and N are the two endpoints on line segment MN. चलो. O and N are the endpoints of OP. O and N are the endpoints of line segment OP.
No, sir. False.
False. Very good.
False.
समझाणु एक ने एक घंटे ने तो समझाणु कई. They are talking about
Sir,
line
false.
segment OP. So line segment OP ना endpoints क्या था? O and P. They are saying that O and N are the line endpoints of line segment OP. So it is false. Then M is one of the endpoint of line segment QO. Line segment QO ma M is one of the endpoint.
No.
No, sir.
નથી ને?
No, sir.
No,
False.
sir.
No.
Very good.
No,
False.
sir.
No,
False.
sir.
ખુદાનો
False.
શુકર. Now M is a point on ray OP. Ray OP is what? From this point, from point O to point P. Can I say this is one ray? M is a point on ray AP. M તો બાર છે.
False. False.
Are
False.
you getting the content?
False. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
If
sir.
they
sir.
say
Yes.
that, if they said that OQ ઉપર M point છે તો true આવે. રે OQ ઉપર છે. રે OP ઉપર નથી. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ચલો
sir.
Yes, sir.
ray,
Clear.
then ray OP is different from ray OP. What? Printing error છે ભાઈ. આ question textbook જેની પાસે હોય ચેક કરો તો.
Sir, yes, sir. Ray line OP is different from ray
રે
QP
રે
line
પછી લાઈન નો આવે બેટા. રે itself is the symbol. રે પોતે જ એક concept છે. લાઈન પછી નહીં બોલવાનું. રે OP
is different from ray QP.
QP છે ને? બરાબર ને?
Yes.
Ray OP is going this side and ray OQ. Can you see any difference on this? Can you see any different from this? OP ne QP છે. Sorry, OP and QP. So I'm so sorry. If we say OP and if we say from Q to P, can you see any difference from this ray?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
OP
Yes,
will be
sir.
smaller and QP will
Yes,
be
sir.
little bit longer. Understood? OP
Yes,
considered
Understood.
only one midpoint and QP considered three midpoints. समझ पड़े छे कि नहीं?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is not OP, this is QP. So this statement is true. चलो next. Alina, read करतो. Sum number H.
Yes. Ray OP is same as ray OM.
Ray OP. This is one ray. So if I say ray OM, are they both same?
No, sir.
No. No.
False.
False. Why? Because OP is longer ray as compared to OM. OP considered one midpoint and OM considered no midpoint. Any doubt here, girls?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir. No doubt.
ચલો ખુદાનો શુકર. Sum number I. Alina.
Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP.
ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. Opposite નથી, સેમ લાઈનમાં છે.
Opposite છે.
ઓપોઝિટ છે ને? Any doubt here?
No,
Are not
sir.
opposite. Sorry, are not opposite. તો false આવશે.
Not opposite.
Not
Are not
opposite.
opposite. That means false. No, it is false. They are opposite. સમજાણું?
Yes.
ચલો last question.
J. O is not an initial point of OP. Line OP.
હે? પ્રિન્ટિંગ એરર છે બેટા તમારી.
O is not an internal point of
Initial
line
point.
OP.
Initial point. O initial point નથી. કોણો? Line segment NP and NM. So it is true. O તો initial point નો જોઈ ને. NP અને NM. બંને line segment માં O is not the initial point. No. ON હોય,
Sir.
ON તો O is initial point. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Getting.
Any doubt here? હા બોલો
No,
બેટા.
sir. No doubt.
સર અમારી ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં છે ને કે કરીને n is the internal point of np line np and line nm.
ઓકે રીડ કરતો ફરીથી કે કરીને છે ને એક પોઈન્ટ રીડ કર.
Yes. N is the internal point of line np and line nm.
N is the internal point of line NP. N is the internal point on line NP and NM. False. Internal point નથી. It is a corner end point. NP ગણો તો corner point થયો. NM ગણો તો corner point થયો. So how come it get internal point? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yes,
જેનો
sir.
જેનો સમ રીડ
Yes,
કરતો
sir,
ટેક્સ્ટ બુક
getting.
માંથી બેટા તો એ પ્રિન્ટિંગ એરર હશે.
O is
અચ્છા.
not an internal point of line OP.
Line OP જો. Wait a moment, girls. There is a printing error. આપણે આને સાઈડમાં લઈ લઈએ. What was the question in the textbook? Zero is not
O
an
is
initial point of
OP.
OP. A is not initial point of OP, so it will be false. O is the initial point of line segment OP. Line segment OP consider કરીએ. So O is the initial point. Yes. તો અહીંયા શું લખે છે? O is not an initial point of OP. So it is false. Are you getting? And K માં શું
Yes.
લખે છે બેટા? K read કરતો ફરીથી.
N is the internal point of line
N-
np and line
N is
nm
the internal point.
of
Initial નથી ને?
initial.
Initial છે?
Yes.
Then it is true. N is the initial point. Yes. તો internal read કરતો internal માં
NP.
સર false જ કઈ ને? Initial point. Initial point of line segment NP and NM. તો આમનામ દેખાય છે. N is the initial point in both the line segment. True. Understood?
Yes, sir.
હવે પેલો સમ નંબર એ રીડ કરતો સમ નંબર એ આ MN માં પ્રિન્ટિંગ એરર લાગે છે મને. સમ નંબર એ રીડ કરતો
Q.
બેટા.
Yes. Q,
Sir,
M,
your
O, and
voice
P
is
are
breaking.
point of the line MN.
So it is false. False, false, false. Okay, correct. Chalo. Any doubt about this true or false? What we have solved
No,
in the
sir.
class?
No,
Sir, no
no,
doubt.
sir. No doubt.
All of you girls.
No, sir. No doubt.
Yes.
No, sir.
Chalo.
No doubt.
With the help of this question, we have completed exercise 4.1. We are moving to exercise 4.2. Chalo. Very easy exercise now.
Yes, sir.
Exercise 4.2. Who will read this question?
Sir, can I read?
Yes, beta, read.
Sir, can I read Arya
Exercise
Fatima?
એના પછીનો question read કરજે તું બેટા.
Okay, sir.
Exercise 4.2. Number 1. Classify the following curves as open or closed.
આપણે બે જ વસ્તુ જાણવાની છે, whether it is open curved or closed curved. That's it. You have to draw this diagram in Fairbook and then you have to write whether it is open curved or closed curved. Okay? This diagram means related. એવું કઈ જરૂરી નથી કે આમ 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 નથી થતું. You don't have to do all this nonsense. Huh? પછી પાછા સાંજે ફોન ન કરતા. You can draw any diagram. Is that clear? Related to this file. Chalo, first is what? Open curve. Very good. Second one is
Open curve.
close.
Close.
Third one is
Open.
open curve. Fourth one is
Close.
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 Close. Close.
and fifth one is
Close.
easy. Close. Very
Close.
any doubt with the first question?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, question number 2. Chalo. Read karo. Who,
Sir,
whom
I will
give?
read Arya Fatima.
Yes.
Number 2. Draw route diagrams to illustrate the following.
Revade, you don't know how to read. I'm sorry. You don't know how to read. 6th standard માં પહોંચી ગયા પણ read કરતા નથી આવડતું. Very good. Chalo, who will read this question?
Sir, can I read Arya?
Read alpha, please.
Draw the rough diagrams to illustrate the following.
Illustrate means as an example. Draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. Open curved, closed curved. So you can draw any rough diagram. Any rough diagram. Is that clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
say
sir.
alphabet U? U is what? Alphabet U, or I can draw like this also with 3 line segments. These are said to be alphabet V, W, U. These all are open curve. Are you getting? Can I say alphabet B, alphabet D? These are all closed curve. એમાં diagram પૂછે છે. We can draw anything. Anything. Let me tell you. One circle. Is this a closed curve?
Yes, sir.
If I draw like this, you can see this is number 8. But is this number 8 completed? No, it is open.
Open curve.
You can draw any diagram.
Yes.
See here.
Yes.
Few examples they have given. Open curve na example છે and closed curve na example છે. See. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
doubt. No,
Out.
no doubt.
Girls, you have to draw the diagrams in this. Sir, ફરીથી repeat કરે છે. You have to draw a diagram. Don't forget. Is that clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir, Fiza Zabani mic is on.
કોણ છે ભાઈ? માઇક મ્યુટ કરે. કોણ છે દીકરી? Chalo. Now what we have to draw? Draw any polygon and shade its interior. Interior એટલે અંદરનો ભાગ shade કરવાનો છે. Any polygon. Polygon means what? Who will tell me? Who will tell me what do you mean by polygon? Nobody from the class. Very good. I spent
Sir, can
two
I
lectures
Sir,
ridiculously wasted of my time to explain you
sir,
this
can I
chapter on the
Malik
board and
Tahira?
on the paint.
Sir, can I Malik Tahira?
Yes, Tahira.
A, a closed figure which is prepared with the help of line segments.
Very good. Any polygon means any diagram which is prepared with the help of line segment. Draw any polygon. We can draw rectangle, we can draw square, we can draw triangle, we can draw pentagon, hexagon. Any polygon we can draw. Any polygon. Any polygon. Again, I am repeating, you can draw any polygon. And we have to give the name and we have to shade the interior. Interior means અંદરનો ભાગ shade કરી નાખવાનો છે. Is that clear?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Check the answer column.
Yes, sir,
What they have
clear.
drawn. They have drawn hexagon. Hexagon means six points they have drawn. They have drawn this figure. See. દેખાય છે? They have drawn hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F. There are polygon they have drawn as hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F. And they have shaded the internally. Interior ma shade કરી નાખ્યું છે. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question
Yes,
number
sir,
4.
clear.
Chalo. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. The figure is given here. Is it a cloud?
Yes,
Is this
Yes,
figure
sir.
said to be cloud?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in Fairbook, you have to write, yes, it is curved. Okay, after drawing this diagram, we can answer this, yes, it is curved. Is it closed figure?
Yes, sir. It is
Yes,
close
sir.
figure.
Yes, sir.
No.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
I can't
No,
see
no,
here
no.
any line.
No.
I can't
No.
see here any line.
No.
There is a star. I can understand, but there is no line over here. So no, it is
Sir,
closed figure. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
in textbook, all sides have a line.
Then your answer should be yes, it is closed figure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then what should be your answer? If in textbook
Yes.
it is given closed figure, that means your answer should be what? Yes,
Yes.
it is
Yes.
closed figure. Any doubt here?
No, sir. No doubt.
Sir, no doubt.
Chalo.
No,
Very
sir,
good.
no doubt.
Very good. Chalo. Now, question number 5. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. Again, we have to draw a diagram. Okay? A closed curve that is not a polygon. Answer number A કેવી રીતના draw કરશું? A closed curve which is not a polygon. Polygon ના હોવો જોઈએ. A closed curve. Can I say alphabet D? A closed curve, but it is not a polygon. સમજાણું?
Yes.
An open curve made up of entirely with the line segment. Can I say capital T? Can I say U? There are lots of examples. Are you getting? સમજાય છે?
Yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
third
Yes.
one, a polygon with two sides. Who will tell me this answer? A polygon with two sides? સૌથી નાનામાં નાનો પોલીગન કયો કહેવાય?
Triangle.
Triangle has how many sides?
3.
If triangle is having three sides,